Today we are going to install the racing seats, the base and the sliders. Alright, so as part of my mod number 2, we are going to install, I had a racing seat but it didn't have the sliders, and passenger seat didn't have, it wasn't the racing seat. So this is the deal. I run into this question when I was looking into those things, and it took me quite a while to get to this conclusion, so I'm gonna cut it short for you. So you got your seat base, and you have your mount also. So the mount, I'm gonna leave the higher side to the front because I want to sit a little bit like this, right? And the lower side to the back, and it was like this. So now we are going to install this guy in the middle, and the question is, how do I do? Is the flat part on the bottom, on the top, and all that stuff. The way you do is you get this part, you can see that you can squeeze it up, right? So when you are sitting in the car, you're gonna push that level thing, this here, you're gonna pull that up, right? So if you pull that up, means this needs to be like this way, so you can pull it up. So the flat part goes on top and this part goes on the bottom, and then this goes on top of it. So what we are going to do is we're going to first assemble this here on the bottom, and then we are going to the other part on the top. You have some sort of adjustment in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the outside, and I'm going to get very close to this here, and then figure it out where the seat sits in there. So first thing I'm going to do is I spent $30 in screws, bolts and nuts, and they are 10.9 grade, and the nuts have this kind of washer together. So what I'm going to do is from the top to the bottom, I'm going to insert those, and I got 25mm ones and 30mm ones. So what I'm gonna do is 30mm goes up, and 25mm goes down. So I'm gonna put this one down here and put my little nut on the bottom. Let me see if I can show you that. See here? Then I can adjust a little bit. What you need to think about is aligning this a little bit. So I said I was going to put on the last one and put all the way to the bottom. So that's what we are doing here. And this way, I know that this is aligned. Look at that. Okay. So one is down, and so get the other one same direction. So you see this thing here, this one gotta follow the same one. You need to put exactly on the same spot where you put the other one. So what I'm going to do is squeeze it up and press it down using this here. Okay, so I have it, same side, there you go, and that's it. So this here, oh, there you go. It took me a while. So this is on the last hole, big one, long screw. This is easier here, and it's there. I'm gonna get another long one. man, everybody's on the street just because it is 60 degrees. It's awesome. Okay, so I need to kinda put this in place. So with this here, we open this up a little, not a lot because I almost broke it, and I should actually put pressure on that, but I need to lift, and this is just helping me do that so I can expose the back screw. And you see there is a little play, right? Because I didn't tie them all the way. So I don't want to tie them all the way until I put the seat in here, because I don't know if it will be correct. Now you lift it up. I'm pressing it down because I want all the way to the bottom, and I'm gonna sort of tighten. But this part here, it's like I need to open a little more and hammer. So I'm trying to make this good angle. So when I do like this, let me see here. See here? Hey, it work, and that's it. I mean, there's no pressing, no doing nothing. Nice. So I guess the next touch is we're going to put this in here, which means this is to the front and that is to the back. So we need to, those are two independent pieces right now, so it's kind of weird. One more. All right. 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. There you go. So this goes right in here like that. Oof. That was tough. There you go. And what I'm gonna do is, from the bottom, I'm gonna put the screw up and my nut in there. Well, that didn't come out right. Anyway, so we have that. And now let's pull it forward. This one I can put a couple. So there you go. One. Alright, so this is what I choose to do. I left one here, one there. Most everything touches the thing, and yeah. So now I'm not gonna tie it all the way again, but I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So put it in here and leave one space and use the second hole. What do you want, buddy? My son wants to play basketball. I know, man. I know. All right. Get in here, and in here, and down. All right. So now, okay, this is the front of the car, this is the back of the car, and this is how it goes. I think I will need to move a little further. Yeah, that won't be enough. By the way, I needed to change and move this here to the middle position, and I'm finishing the second side now. Yep, as you see, and I'm not screwing, so it's kind of moving around. I can move it, and then I'm gonna put my seat in here, where the seat goes to see how much space I have, and we go from there. We get the seat put in there. So here is sort of set. I can just put the bar in there and pull it, and it goes forward. Go for the bolts and see if it's aligned, because that's that too. All right, 2 bolts. Ooh, much better to get in. Oh, like a dream. Oh man, I love it. Okay. All right. So I think for me, when I did this here, see here, this part in the car is higher, this is lower, so it's like this. And I use this part here in front, which made my seat on the back a little lower. Even though I have this thing here, it didn't help me a bit. So I might need to flip that thing over. I think this is good now. Look, there you go. See, the back is a little higher than the front. So let's fit in the car. So it was going to get screwed eventually. And this part first, and then this part. And there you go. Let's try it again. Alright. So, ooh, much better. Oh man, this is great. If it was a little tiny bit higher, it would be great, but I don't know if I should put a spacer on the back or not. So I managed to put a screw and put the bolt in there, and now I'm gonna fit this seat back in here and screw everything. So this was the upgrade number 2. Those nice seats in there, and now with the sliders in it, that was the upgrade number 1. You can see right there the harness bar, and I guess I'm not gonna bother you with the installation of the other ones. I'm gonna do the same thing. Then I'm going to install probably the coilovers, and that will be the upgrade number 3. But I think on the process of installing the coilovers, I'm going to install the angle kit. All right, so I guess I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you on the next video.